You scroll through your feed and see AI videos that blow up overnight. Cinematic effects, perfect pacing, and that one hook that makes you stop scrolling. Then you sit down to make your own and somehow nothing works. The pacing feels off, the shows do not connect, and it feels less like rating and more like guessing. So when I saw what ByteDance just dropped with Pippit, I had to test it seriously. Rip every other AI video tool out there. ByteDance is shaking up the generative AI landscape again. Pippit, a ByteDance product, can now clone the creative DNA of any video and let you recreate any viral video from an online reference. Same viral impact, faster to launch. You can find Pippit at pippit.ai, link in the description by the way. Today I'm testing it across 4 different categories using 15 seconds reference videos. A cinematic film noir scene, a luxury perfume commercial, a viral social media short, and a UGC street interview. Before we get into the test, 2 quick things. First, if there is one company you do not want to bet against in this space, it is ByteDance. They build TikTok, they build CapCut, and they understand what makes short form video work. Second, for all 4 tests today I'm using Seedance 2.0 inside Pippit, and each example starts from a 15 seconds reference video, so Pippit has a clear creative blueprint to work from. But first, let me quickly show you the actual reference video workflow. So I'm inside Pippit, and from the left menu I go to video generator, then I click the plus button, choose reference video and upload my clip. For this quick demo, I'm using a cinematic reference video where a normal girl is lying on a pink bed in a dreamy bedroom and then slowly transforms into a vampire-like version of herself. The key detail here is the transformation, the eyes, the expression, and especially the fangs. That is what I want Pippit to understand and recreate in a new original result. Then I set the model to Seedance 2.0, choose 16 by 9, 1080p and give Pippit this prompt. Now let's see the result. Wow, Pippit did an excellent job here. Honestly, the result is even better than the original. I really like how it knows how to get the best out of Seedance 2.0. The lighting, the face, the eyes and especially the fangs all feel much more cinematic. Alright, enough talking, let's get to work and look at a ton of examples so you can see why I'm this excited. For the first test I wanted to push Pippit into a cinematic territory, so I'm using a 15-second film noir reference video, rain, neon reflection and a detective walking under a single street light. I uploaded that reference into Pippit and asked it to carry over the pacing, lighting, camera movement and noir atmosphere into a new original scene. And here is the prompt I gave it. This is impressive. The rain, smoke, wet pavement and slow delivery give it the noir energy I wanted. It feels like a real scene, not just an AI render. For one 15 seconds reference video and one prompt, that is a strong start. Second test, completely different direction. This time I'm using a 15-second luxury perfume commercial reference, slow premium pacing, product focus and controlled cinematic lighting. The brand concept is Fleur de Nuit. I used the same workflow and asked Pippit to recreate that high-end commercial feeling in a new original perfume ad. Here is the prompt. The results get the important part right. Premium lighting, clean framing, realistic skin and a bottle that actually feels expensive. That is what luxury advertising needs to do. It doesn't over-explain the product, it builds desire. The third test is a viral short form. Here I'm using a 15 seconds reference with a fast opening hook, dynamic camera movement, quick cuts and native social media pacing. Then I upload it into Pippit's reference video workflow and ask it to recreate the same rhythm in a new Tokyo street clip. Here is my prompt. This one has the right energy, the whip pan, camera movement and pacing feel native to short form. It looks like something you could actually see in your feed. Also, my AI character still has more rhythm than me, so that's another win. For the final test I went with the format that is carrying e-commerce right now, UGC. This time it's a street interview style reference. Casual framing, handheld movement, an off-camera question and natural product placement. I use the same reference video workflow for a new brand concept, Wild Press, a cold pressed natural juice. Here is the prompt I used. Honestly, this one is probably the most practical result. The delivery feels natural, the product is visible, and it looks like a real UGC ad we could post today. The value here is obvious. Instead of arranging a shoot, you can test a full UGC concept in minutes using one reference video and one prompt. For me, the biggest takeaway is this. AI video is moving from random generation into actual production thinking. Instead of generating 50 clips and hoping one works, Pippit lets you start from a reference that already has a strong pacing, structure and visual logic, then turn that into a new original result. And what I like about Pippit is that it moves fast. It gives you access to strong models like Seedance 2.0 for video and keeps building around real creator workflows. If you want to try Pippit, the link is in the description. Sign up is free and you get new credits every day, so you can test the platform seriously without spending anything up front. My suggestion is simple. Take one strong reference video, drop it into Pippit reference video workflow and see what kind of new results you can create. See you in the next one.